Hello my viewers, in today's video we talk about trust, how you can modify and create a trust for your structure. Okay, so let's start. Go to first level and first create two column over here so you can place trust over them. So for that we have to click on the column or you can use CL shortcut key. Let's take this column and place over here. Okay, let's make it fine so you can visible to you clearly. Now we can place the trust over here. For that we have to go on, click on the trust here, select the trust and select trust from here. So suppose only one trust is there, so we can load from here. You will see here, go in library English UK and you will see here structural trust. Click on here and you can select here, and by using the down key, up and down key, you can choose the trust which you want to place. Suppose I will take this one. Let's take this one, and now I place, select midpoint and place here. Now just go in 3D. You will see trust has been placed over here. Let's see. You can see trust has been placed but not connected properly. So we have to connect all this trust properly. For that we have to just make it graphic constant color. Suppose we have to connect all this trust. For that we have to just go on this trust and press the tab button. Just go on the trust and press the tab button and select the trust and just unpin this one. Now we have just take this one to this, and now just you move your cursor on the trust and press tab button and select it. Unpin this one and make it till here. Okay, in this way you can make all this trust, edit all this trust. Go on here, press the tab button, select this one, unpin this and make it like this. Select, go over trust, press the tab button, select it, unpin this and make up to here. In this way you can make all your trust. Let's do so we have to do all this trust. Tab button, select it, unpin this and make up to here. In this way you can Now it's completed. So you can see here this trust has been cutting, overlapping each other. For that we have to just select this one on cope. You can use the command cp, shortcut key cp, or you can click here cope. Select this first one beam and then select this one, it will cope this one and this one. In this way you can make all this. Okay, select this one, then this one. First select this one which you want to cut. Suppose I want to cut this one, this side, so first we have to select this one, then you can select this one. Okay, so in this way you can cope it. Okay, now it's look good. Suppose we have to extend this truss to here. For that we have to just select, go your cursor here, press the tab button, select this one and unpin this one. From here you can unpin this one. Now you can extend this one up to here. Okay, now it's look good. This side also we will do. Select this one, unpin this one and make this one up to here. Okay, let's see in realistic view how it's look. You can see here this is how a trust look after editing all the side. Okay, this is all about trust. Okay, thank you for watching the video. We will see in the next video.